Another thing is if you've had a history of pancreatitis, this medication can increase the risk of pancreatitis. And that is an organ that is right next to your stomach. So it's going to be what we call epigastric abdominal pain. So pain right in the middle of your chest there. That can be a signal of pancreatitis if you're on this medication. Pancreatitis can also be due to gallstones. It can also be due to alcohol, a whole slew of other issues as well. But because you've had this history, it could increase your risk of developing it while you're on the medication. And it's not fun because you usually have to go to the emergency room and you usually are hospitalized for it. Other things that you want to keep an eye out on or have on the back of your mind is that this could increase your risk of medullary thyroid cancer. And so the one question I always ask my patients before we start them on it is, have you ever had a history of thyroid cancer, or do you have a family history of thyroid cancer? Most patients who know they have a family history can usually tell me, yes, I have thyroid cancer, but they're usually not able to tell me exactly which type. There are different types of thyroid cancers. So just because you've had one type doesn't mean you can't take this medication. But again, a conversation that you really want to have with your physician. And that's why it's so important that not only are the standards there, but you have someone that is prescribing, that is watching you and looking over your shoulder constantly.